Are you a fitness enthusiast always on the hunt for snacks that do not just taste amazing but also pack a serious protein punch? Well, you're in the right place. Whether you are crushing it at the gym or looking to fuel your active lifestyle, today we're diving into the best high-protein snacks to keep you energized and on track with your fitness goals. Let's get into it. Why protein is essential for fitness. Your body needs protein to stay healthy and work the way it should. More than 10,000 types are found in everything from your organs to your muscles and tissues to your bones, skin, and hair. Protein is also a critical part of the processes that fuel your energy and carry oxygen throughout your body and your blood. It also helps make antibodies that fight off infections and illnesses and helps keep cells healthy and create new ones. Protein helps you feel full, often part of a healthy weight loss plan. Let's talk about why protein is such a game changer for fitness enthusiasts. Protein is not just another nutrient, but the building block of your muscles, bones, and tissues. It helps repair and grow muscle after those intense workouts and keeps you feeling fuller for longer, so you're not tempted to grab that sugary treat. Aim for about 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight daily, depending on your fitness goals. Now that we have set the stage, jump into the snacks! Snack 1. Greek yogurt with toppings for good reason. Yogurt is one of the most common dairy products today. Yogurt is a creamy, tasty addition to lots of meals. Thanks to its rich flavor and thick texture, Greek yogurt is starting to overtake traditional yogurt in popularity. Greek yogurt's vitamins, minerals, and probiotics can provide essential health benefits. For example, Greek yogurt can help provide part of your daily probiotics intake. Greek yogurt provides significant calcium, which is essential for healthy bones. Calcium is the most common mineral in your body, most of it in your skeleton. Getting enough calcium helps prevent osteoporosis by keeping your bones denser and less prone to breaking. Potassium is essential for maintaining your blood pressure and counteracting sodium. It also plays a vital role in keeping your heartbeat regular and helping your muscles contract. Greek yogurt is also an excellent source of vitamin B12, which helps prevent anemia and keeps your blood cells and nerves healthy. First up, Greek yogurt with toppings. This protein powerhouse snack delivers 15 to 20 grams of protein per serving. But let's not stop there. Elevate it with some fresh berries for antioxidants, a sprinkle of granola for crunch, and a drizzle of honey for a natural sweetness. You can even add chia seeds for an omega-3 boost. This snack is perfect for breakfast, post-workout fuel, or even a late-night craving. And the best part? It is super customizable to your taste. Opt for plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars. You can sweeten it naturally with fruits or a dash of stevia. Snack 2, protein bars, homemade or store-bought. Next, let's talk about protein bars. They are portable, convenient, and packed with protein. But not all bars are created equal. Look for options with at least 15 grams of protein, under 6 grams of sugar, and minimal artificial ingredients. If you're feeling adventurous, try making your own at home with oats, nut butter, whey protein, and dark chocolate chips. A quick bake in the oven, and you have a delicious snack ready for the week. Homemade bars give you full control over the ingredients, ensuring they're as healthy as they are tasty. Many people look to protein bars to help support their weight loss journey. Some research indicates that high-protein diets support healthy weight loss more than diets containing a standard amount of protein. This is likely due to the filling effects of protein, which can curb your appetite and help prevent overeating. Protein bars are helpful primarily for 3 things: gaining muscle, losing weight as a meal replacement, and as a versatile, all-around snack when you are on the go. This study used a twice-daily supplement of 15 grams of protein, right in the ballpark of what you'd find in a decent protein bar. So if adding muscle mass with protein works for 80-year-old older adults, it will work for you. Check the ingredient list on store-bought bars. Avoid those with sugar alcohols or palm oil, which can be hard on digestion. Snack 3. Hard-boiled eggs with veggie sticks. Number 3 on the list is hard-boiled eggs paired with veggie sticks. 1 egg delivers about 6 grams of high-quality protein and essential amino acids. Pair it with crunchy veggie sticks like carrots, cucumbers, or bell peppers for added vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Sprinkle some everything bagel seasoning on the eggs for a flavor upgrade. This snack is simple, nutrient-dense, and perfect for on-the-go fuel. They are tasty, filling, and good for your health at any age. Along with milk, eggs contain the highest biological value, or gold standard, for protein. 1 egg has only about 77 calories, but 6 grams of high-quality protein, 5 grams of fat, and 1.6 grams of saturated fat, along with iron, vitamins, minerals, and carotenoids. The egg is also a powerhouse of disease-fighting nutrients such as lutein and zeaxanthin. These carotenoids may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, the leading cause of blindness in older adults. Hard-boiled eggs are an excellent source of lean protein. They will fill you up without packing in too many calories, which is helpful if you want to lose weight. Prepare a batch of hard-boiled eggs at the start of the week to save time. They are great for snacking, salads, or even breakfast on the run. Snack 4. Cottage cheese with pineapple or nuts. Cottage cheese is often underrated, but it's a protein superstar. Half a cup packs around 14 grams of protein. Pair it with fresh pineapple for a sweet and tangy twist, or sprinkle some almonds or walnuts on top for a crunchy, nutty flavor. This snack satisfies your sweet tooth and delivers a steady energy release, thanks to the combo of protein and healthy fats. Cottage cheese with pineapple is not only a delicious combination, but also a nutritious snack option. This delightful blend of sweet and tangy flavors treats your taste buds and offers several health benefits. Cottage cheese is a high-protein, low-fat dairy product with many health benefits. It is packed with essential nutrients like calcium, phosphorus, vitamin B12, and selenium, which promote bone health, boost metabolism, and support the immune system. Additionally, its abundant protein content helps control hunger and manage weight. Cottage cheese has low calories. It is only 98 calories among 100 grams of cottage cheese. Compared with any other breakfast menu, cottage cheese with pineapple is excellent for lowering weight because it has much fewer calories. Cottage cheese also contains good bacteria, which helps the human body to increase its immunity. When these bacteria combine with pineapple acid, it will increase the protein digestion system. The more you easily digest the protein from your body, the more you can reduce the fat inside your body. Cottage cheese is creamy and sweet, fulfilling you for a long time. Go for low-fat or full-fat versions of cottage cheese, depending on your macro goals. And if you are lactose intolerant, there are lactose-free options available. Snack 5. Tuna or salmon packets with whole grain crackers. If you're looking for a savory option, tuna or salmon packets are the way to go. These are rich in protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential nutrients like vitamin D. Pair them with whole grain crackers or rice cakes for a satisfying crunch. You can even add a squeeze of lemon or a dollop of Greek yogurt for a creamy texture. This snack is perfect for midday cravings and keeps you satiated for hours. Choose low-sodium versions of these packets to keep your heart health in check. Snack 6. Protein smoothies. Let's talk smoothies. These are not just a snack, but a full-on nutrition boost. Combine a scoop of your favorite protein powder with almond milk, frozen fruits, spinach, and a spoonful of peanut butter. Blend it up, and you've got a delicious, protein-packed snack that's perfect pre- or post-workout. The beauty of smoothies is their versatility. You can add ingredients that align with your fitness goals. Add a few ice cubes and blend for a thicker, milkshake-like consistency. You can also prep smoothie bags with ingredients for a quick blend-and-go option. And there you have it. 6 high-protein snacks that are as delicious as they effectively support your fitness journey. Now it is your turn. Which snack are you going to try first, or do you have a personal favorite we didn't mention? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear your go-to protein snacks. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on content designed to help you crush your fitness goals. Stay strong, stay fueled, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.